In today's video, I'll teach you how to add payment method on Whatnot app. First of all, launch open Whatnot application. You can see over here Whatnot application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So what you have to do is simply tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At second, you'll be able to find this option for payments and shipping. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option payment method that you can see at second. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the payment method. You'll be able to find the options like credit or debit card, Google Pay, PayPal and Venmo. What you have to do is simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option credit or debit card. Now you'll have to enter the card information over here. First of all, tap on the field of card number and enter the card number over here. Make sure to enter the correct card number. Likewise, enter the expiration date. First of all, enter the month. Now enter the year. Likewise, enter the CVC. Also enter the zip code over here. Now after you enter all these information, tap on this option setup that you can see on the screen. Follow through the prompts in order to set up your payment method and the payment method will be added. So that is how you add payment method on Whatnot app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.